Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about how to check RAM in our Infinix phone and guys how to check your phone storage in your Infinix phone. In this video friends I am going to show you guys both of setting. How can you check your RAM and storage in your Infinix phone, and guys how can you use your RAM and storage setting. I will tell you in this video friends. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, first of all open your phone setting guys, and as you can see guys my phone, so I tap here. As you can see guys your RAM and storage setting guys you can check from here, but guys we will check from here guys. Storage setting guys, tap here. As you can see your total RAM 2 GB plus 2 GB, and as you can see available 2.19 GB, and as you can see your internal storage total space 64 GB, but guys available 10.9 GB. So guys like that guys you can check your RAM and storage, and guys you can use your, guys you can check your internal storage and get available storage and available RAM. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye bye and thanks for watching.